Your eFTR Hooligan can connect via Bluetooth to the Super73 app. In this video, we will walk through the process of downloading and installing the app, pairing and unpairing the app, and how to operate the app. To download the Super73 app on your device, search for Super73 in the App Store. Then, tap to download and install the Super73 app on your device. For first-time setup, power on your eFTR Hooligan with the Super73 app open on your device. Your vehicle will appear on your device. Select your vehicle, and the pairing process will be complete. In order to pair a new device with your eFTR Hooligan, you first need to unpair the device currently associated with the vehicle. You can unpair your device by following these steps. First, select the menu icon in the upper left corner. Then, select the vehicle page. Finally, tap Unpair Vehicle. Then tap Unpair. Your eFTR Hooligan will now be unpaired and you can pair a new device. Now, we will walk through the navigation of the Super73 app and its operation. Note, the Super73 app operates differently with the vehicle on and off. For video purposes, we will be demonstrating how the app operates with the vehicle on. First, power on your eFTR Hooligan. Then, open the Super73 app. Once you open the app, you will be greeted with the navigation page. On this page, you will find additional options for the app and various bike controls. With the eFTR Hooligan, you can select various speed class modes and pedal assist level options. Pedal assist ranges from 1 to 4, with 0 meaning the pedal assist is turned off. The higher the level, the more electric assistance you will get, and the less you will have to pedal. Level 1, Eco, 25% speed power. Level 2, Tour, 50% speed power. Level 3, Sport, 75% speed power. Level 4, Super, 100% speed power. Once you begin pedaling, the pedal assist sensor will activate the motor and you will begin to accelerate to the selected assist level. The speed mode is where changes can be made to the throttle input and increase max speeds. To change modes, hit the top left tab, then go to Vehicles, select Mode, and choose between the 4 different classes. Class 1, pedal assist only at 20 miles per hour max speed. Class 2, throttle operation and pedal assist at 20 miles per hour max speed. Class 3, pedal assist only at 28 miles per hour max speed. Off-road mode, up to 2,000 watts of power and throttle speeds above 28 miles per hour. This mode is exclusively for riding off public roads and on private property. As a user, you are responsible for understanding your local laws and regulations and complying with them accordingly. With the top right button, you can recenter the map to show your precise location. To the left is the play button, which will start your route. The play button can record your trip, provide details such as your average and top speeds, total ascent and descent information, minimum and maximum altitude during the ride. The play button also records your trip's distance and duration. Additionally, to the left of the play button is the search button. With the search button, you can see an overview of suggested routes and the distance of those routes, as well as the altitude change during those routes. On the bottom of the app, you'll find your speed, pedal assist, and headlight options. On the top left of the app is your additional options. Here, you'll find your map, dashboard, activity feed, vehicle, support, settings, and quick links. The quick links will direct you to various Super73 social media sites as well as the Super73 official website. The dashboard button is where you can see customizable detailed information about your bike and how it's performing. While in the dashboard, you can also tap any of the icons in your dashboard to customize what options you want to have visible. A pop-up will appear with the toggle switches for the following options to be visible: speed, voltage, state of charge, range, trip duration, trip distance, odometer, and/or current time. On your navigation page, you can swipe up on the odometer. Swiping down will bring you back to the map and home screen. Next is your activity feed, where you can share your previous rides and previous ride information with other riders. In the vehicle settings, you have the option to unpair and pair a new bike, adjust your class mode of your current bike, customize the picture and name of your bike, and get specific information on your vehicle. The support button gives you quick and easy access to Super73's customer support with an email that's auto-filled with all the information about your bike. The settings page is where you can personalize the app to your liking. Personalization includes adjusting units of measurement, the language, your profile picture, and your name. You can also adjust your app display settings, terms and conditions, and you can sign in and out of the app. For more information on the eFTR Hooligan, visit indianmotorcycle.com.